Hello friends, it's Prajul Pathak this side and you're watching my YouTube channel PyGuru. Friends, in the previous tutorial of this series, we learned how can we rotate PDF pages. So moving further, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how can we split and merge PDF files. So see here, I have a PDF file here by the name Ruskin Bond Kite Maker Stories, and I want to extract this particular whole chapter. Okay, so this is a whole PDF consists of 119 pages, but I want to extract this particular chapter, that is my father's last letter, and store it in a new PDF file. So it starts from page number 18 and ends at page number 22. So I want to split it. So let's see how can we do it. So first of all, we are going to learn how can we split a PDF file. For this, we have to use the PyME PDF package we have already used in the previous tutorial. So you can just check them if you haven't installed them yet. Okay. So how to import it? It's very easy. Import fields. So now let's get started for splitting the PDF. So first of all, I'm going to create a variable called file and store the name of the PDF file that I want to split. So my PDF file name is Ruskin Bond Kite Maker Stories. Okay. The next thing we are going to open it. So how to open it? It's very easy. Fids.open. Open. So sorry, my keyboard keys few keys are not working. So open, and here we have to pass files. Okay. The next thing we are going to open an empty PDF file. So PDF2 equals fids dot open, and this time we will not pass anything. Okay, so if you are not passing anything, it means it's an empty PDF file. And then we are going to insert PDF. So PDF2 dot insert PDF, and here the PDF that you want to insert. So I want to insert the pages of this PDF into this PDF. It's currently empty, so we are going to insert the PDF. So let's just pass PDF here, and then the next argument is from page. So see, I want to split PDF from page number 18. So let's just go up. So my chapter starts from page number 18, but remember in PyME PDF package indexing starts from 0. So instead of 18 we have to pass 17 here, and then to page. Remember it was up till 22, but we have to pass 21. Okay, because indexing starts from 0. Then finally we can just save it. PDF2.save splitted .pdf. Let's just run this program and let's see if we are able to split it or not. So here a new file is generated, splitted.pdf. Let me just open it, and it consists of chapter. So see, it's from my father's last letter up till this last page. Okay, so yes, this is the last page. So this is how you can split a PDF file. Let me just close this. I hope you learned how to split a PDF file. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to merge these two files. I have a PDF file by the name sample file, and then we just created new splitted. So we are just going to merge them. Let's see how we can do it. It's very easy. What you have to do, I hope you learned the splitting part. Let's do the merging part. So file name will be splitted.pdf. Okay, I want to merge this file with our sample file. So this will be same. Instead of creating an empty file, here we will pass the file. Okay, sample file.pdf. Now here we have to do one more thing. So num pages, we will create a variable called num pages, which will store the total number of pages in the PDF file. So PDF dot page count, we have a statement here. We have already learned it about in the second tutorial of this series, that how can we find the total number of pages, PDF dot page count. So what we are going to do, everything will be same. So from page will be 0 because I want to merge the whole this file with this file. So here page number will be 0 and to page will be num pages -1 because indexing starts from 0. Okay, and everything will be same except it will be merged here. Okay, now remember this splitted.pdf file will be merged at the end of this sample file.pdf. If you want to keep it merge sample file with this one, so you have to open the sample file here and split it here. Okay, so let's just run this program and let's see if we are able to successfully merge it or not. So a new file will be generated, merged. So this will first consist the part of let it open merge.pdf. So see, it's at first it's currently it's having the pages of our first file, that is uh, what was our first file name, sample pdf, and then at the end it will consist of pages of our splitted.pdf. So let me go at the end and where it is, yes. So see here at the end is our splitted pdf. So this is how you can merge two pdf files. So what we did, we simply merged the splitted.pdf with sample file pdf. So splitted will be merged at the end of the sample file.pdf. Okay, so this is how you can merge two pdf files. I hope you learned something new. If you love this video, leave a like or a dislike. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next video.